Take a moment to check out the 2012 GMC Acadia. With less than 200,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Enjoy the journey in comfort and security in this well-equipped Acadia. Spacious, smooth riding, and loaded with desirable passenger amenities and safety features, this family-focused vehicle has your back. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated driver's seat, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, third row seat, satellite radio, power passenger seat, fog lamps, heated mirrors, premium sound system, remote engine start. Give your family the space and security they deserve in this versatile Acadia. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.